Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to another new video, and in this video we are going to see that how we can redirect our HTTP URL to an HTTPS URL for SSL security, how to automatically redirect in our Xampp server, which is a PHP based server. So we are starting here Apache. So let's see how you can automatically redirect all of your traffic to HTTPS URL. So firstly, I have turned on my Apache server and I'm going to my browser, and let's see here. I'm typing here localhost and there's a folder for my YouTube. As you can see, I have a basic HTML file here which is normally opening in HTTP protocol. So as you can see, I'm typing here http // as you can see, it is not redirecting me to HTTPS URL. Open your Xampp server and here go to Explorer. This will redirect you to the Xampp directory and open here htdocs. And here you must have to open your text editor here in your htdocs folder. It is important. So in this folder htdocs, you have to create a file .htaccess .htaccess, and here you have to write a code which I am giving you in video's description. As you can see here, this is the code. Here you have to type your domain name, which is in my case it is localhost. If you are working on a real server, so you must have to type here your real domain. Okay, so here I have typed localhost, so it will redirect my all traffic to HTTPS of localhost. So let's see whether it is working or not. I'm just typing this address again and hit enter key, and as you can see, now we are in HTTPS. It is not secure because our certificate is not valid. So I want here to open in a guest window because there is a problem with this localhost, and here as you can see, you will face this problem if you are working on Xampp server or any local environment. So you probably don't have your certificate for your local environment. Obviously you don't want to use the SSL certificate for your local environment, so you have to go to advanced and here proceed to localhost unsafe because you don't have the certificate. And now you can access your HTML files on HTTPS connection. If I remove S here, it will automatically redirect me to HTTPS, and this file that we have created here, as you can see, this .htaccess file, you must have to copy this file also to the server's root directory. You must have to copy that file. Then your server will also, if that server is running on PHP, then that server will also redirect your all HTML files URLs to HTTPS connection. If this video is helpful for you, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.